In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an avatar in HeyGen. So the first thing you'll need is a HeyGen account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link to try HeyGen completely for free. Now, once you have your account, on here you want to click on avatars here under assets on the left, so click on avatars. And here you can now create a new avatar under My Avatars up top. Now, of course, you can use any of these public avatars, but if you want a custom avatar, you have to click this button over here. Once you do that, you have three options. You can either create a hyper-realistic avatar, which can basically be made out of videos and photos, so you can upload a recording, basically a video, or you can record a video to create a lifelike avatar with realistic motion and customizable looks, okay? So this is going to be the most accurate and likely the best over here. However, if you just want to do a custom photo avatar, you can use existing photos to create a new avatar and multiple looks, or if you don't have that either, you can just create an avatar by describing its appearance and attributes with text prompts, and AI will generate one for you, and that's cool as well in case you don't have the access to these two. So again, this is going to be the best up here, so you're going to have one slot available in the free account for this. And in case you can do that, make sure you do this because it's going to be the most accurate. But for this instance, I'm going to show you how to actually generate one using this part over here. So the third option. You click on generate, and then here you have to give it a name. So I'm just going to give it a name Mike. Age is going to be young adult. Gender is going to be man. And then ethnicity, you can just do unspecified. So if it's not important, you can just do unspecified. But of course, if you want a specific ethnicity, you can just put it in here. You can then describe your avatar. I'm just going to try a sample over here. There we go. And then in here, it says orientation. So you can do either landscape, portrait, or square. I'm going to do portrait for this instance. And then pose, it can be full body, upper body, or face. So I'm going to select upper body for this. And then style can be whatever you want it to be over here. For this one to be a bit more interesting, I'm just going to do cyberpunk, and I'm going to click on generate preview. What this will do is in 15 to 30 seconds, it will basically just generate your avatar and your preview, so you have to just stay on this page for this to actually work. Now, of course, we generated this with AI, but if you would generate a realistic, let's say, avatar of yourself, so if you would want to clone yourself, so the first button we were able to see earlier, then you would actually, of course, have to upload your images and your videos and then proceed from there. Over here, as you can see, we now have our avatars generated, and you have to select one you like the most. So I'm just gonna go with this one because I think it looks great and it's kind of more of a portrait. If you don't like any of these, you can just regenerate again or edit the prompt if you want to do that as well. So I'm gonna click on this one and click on save. Now after you do this, you'll see it's now going to start saving. Usually it's going to wait, you're going to have to wait for a few seconds for this to actually save into your account over here, and then you can proceed from there. There we go. As you can see, it says your avatar is almost ready. You can add a voice now or do it later. In the next step, you can choose how you wanted to add your voice. So over here, you can just choose a voice for me or add a voice. Okay, I'm going to do add a voice over here, and you can just select which one you want. You can play samples over here like this.
Hi.
There we
Hi.
go. As you can
I am
see.
a generated voice. Hi. I am a generated voice.
Okay, so I like the second one. I'm going to put the second one. I'm going to do add voice. And then it's going to basically just add the voice. Of course, you can voice clone it as well or do the smart voice match. But for this, you will need to basically train an AI model, which you will need a upgraded version of HeyGen 4. Okay, so once you do this, there we go, you now have yourself an avatar over here. And if I were to go anywhere out of here, there we go, I now have one avatar inside avatars, and I've successfully created it, and you can just start using it however you would like inside HeyGen. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.